In this video, I'll show you how to connect Vantage to TradingView step by step. First, go to tradingview.com and sign in to your account, or create one if you don't already have it. Once you're logged in, hover over the products menu at the top and click on Supercharts. This will open the main charting interface. Next, look toward the bottom left corner and click on the Trading Panel option to open it. You may need to resize it slightly so everything is clearly visible. Inside the Trading Panel, you'll see a list of trusted brokers. If Vantage isn't visible right away, click on Show All Brokers, scroll down, or simply press Ctrl+F on your keyboard and search for Vantage. When you find it, click on Vantage and then select the Connect button. You'll be taken to a login page where you need to enter your email address and password. After entering your details, click Connect, and your Vantage account will be successfully linked to TradingView. You can now start trading directly on TradingView using your Vantage account. That's it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.